Okay, देखो अब understand number 3 and 4. Number 3 it's written, has your brother a car? Has your brother a car? Hat dein Bruder auch kein Auto? So the Ashwin's answer was yeah. His auto is new. His auto. So sein Auto ist neu. Yeah. Then number funes. उसमें अब हमें we have the pronoun wir. अब wir को we have to put it or we have to make it possessive article. So Samriddhi, what do you think funes can be? Antwort.
Unsere. Ja.
Unsere Eltern
haben es ihm geschenkt.
Very good. It's written unsere Eltern. Yeah, Sana, you have a question?
Actually, I did not understand the first one. But do
Okay, Eltern is parents, right? Eltern is parents, and we have to make it with wir. So wir, you can see in the book that wir's article, if you come up in here in this section, so wir's article is unsere. Because we, जैसे जैसे क्या कहते हैं, ये जो we है, चलो हिंदी में समझाती हूँ मैं for a while. Maybe Samriddhi and Sana will better understand it. अगर हम बोलते हैं हम, ठीक है, हम, that is we, हम हमारा, हम के साथ हमारा होता है, तुम तुम्हारा. तो ये जो वियर है यहाँ पे हम दिया दे रखा है, आपको इसको बनाना है हमारा, हमारे एल्टर्न, और लाइक आर पेरेंट्स हैज ईम geschenkt, हमारे एल्टर्न ने मतलब हमारे पेरेंट्स ने उसको ये ऑटो गिफ्ट दिया है. सो आप जब भी पोजेसिव आर्टिकल बनाओगे, जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट कि किसको बोला जा रहा है, whom we are indicating. Are we indicating तुम, तुम्हारा? Are we indicating her, उसका? Are we indicating हमारा, हमारा? So ये समझने के बाद ही you can put up the possessive article. यहाँ पे they have made it easier by giving the pronoun. उन्होंने ये easy बनाया है, आपको pronoun दे दिया गया है ताकि आपको पता चले कि आप किसको बोल रहे हो. तो हम दे रखा है प्रोनाउन में, आपको उसको हमारा बनाना है, पोजेसिव आर्टिकल. हम का हमारा, तुम का तुम्हारा, मैं का मेरा. तो जैसे यहाँ पे इश था, तो इश मतलब मैं, और इसमें मेरी श्वेस्टर, मेरी बहन के पास ऑटो है. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. मेरा, मैं, मेरा या मेरी, तुम, तुम्हारा या तुम्हारी, उसका या उसकी. दिस इज व्हाट इज इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी थिंग. ये जो पोजेसिव आर्टिकल है, देखो, in German, there are certain topics which has no connection with Hindi. Yeah. But then this possessive article is one such topic. If you convert the sentences or if you have pictured the sentences in some Hindi thing, this would help you to understand it better. For Ashwin, this might be difficult because I don't know, he has learned Hindi, but he is not having the language as its mother tongue. So he might be difficult, but Samriddhi or Asana, whenever you are making possessive article, तो कौन सा आर्टिकल सूट करेगा, यू बेटर अंडरस्टैंड इट जब आप इसको यू मेक इट इन हिंदी, तो वो ज्यादा बेहतर से यू कैन पुट अप द पोजेसिव आर्टिकल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे वियर था तो वी मेड इट उनजेरा एल्टर्न haben es ihm geschenkt. मेरे पेरेंट्स ने और हमारे पेरेंट्स ने उनको उसे ये गिफ्ट geschenkt मतलब टू सेंड हिम एज अ गिफ्ट. नाउ ich habe ein Fahrrad. I have a Fahrrad that is bicycle. Dash Farbe is rot. तो किसका Farbe rot है? Whose Farbe is rot?
Mine.
The bikes, the bicycles, right? So bicycle कैसे denote करेंगे हम? How do we? Bicycle is what? कैसे? What is the answer you have written here? Everybody? Mine.
Sein.
Sein. Okay. Ashwin, your answer? What is your answer in here? Bike का color red है. Bike's color is red. So bike का, how do we denote bike का? I have a cycle. और अब मुझे बोलना है साइकिल का कलर रेड है. So how do I denote with possessive article? Sana, what is your answer here?
My road, mine.
Mine.
My cycle is.
अगर सना If you are writing here meine Farbe is rot, इसका मतलब मेरा कलर लाल है. आपका कलर लाल नहीं है, बाइक का कलर लाल है, तो बाइक को आप कैसे डिनोट करोगे?
I understood part I cycle, that's why.
मतलब फाराड इज बाईसाइकिल, तो बाईसाइकिल का कलर रेड है, आपका नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे माइन नहीं आएगा. इशहाब आइन फाराड जाइना फारबा स्ट्रोट, उसका कलर लाल है, उसका कलर बोलते हैं. जब बाइक है तो बाइक इज अ थर्ड पर्सन, तो बाइक को हम मेरा तुम्हारा से डिनोट नहीं कर सकते हैं. बाइक इज उसका, उसका कलर लाल है. जैसे मेरे पास एक मोबाइल है, इसका या इसका कलर पिंक है, तो इसका बोलते हैं इस. तो दिस इज इसका उसका. सो यहाँ पे आई हैव अ साइकिल जिसका कलर उसका कलर लाल है, तो जाइना फारबा, फारबा इज कलर और फारबा का आर्टिकल दी फारबा होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज जाइना फारबा इज रोट. Okay. Then let's see. I have lost internet connection due to like. Okay. Okay, no issues. Then Nummer 7. अब है डैश नागबर हाटमियर फाराड गेशेंट. तो ईयर या ईयर, तो अब हमें ईयर, जैसे आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, इफ यू कम टू दिस बुक, तो ईयर मतलब हमारा, लाइक मतलब यू प्लूरल. तो आप हमें योर ऑयर और ऑयरा से फिल करना है आपको. सो इन दिस ऑयर एंड ऑयरा थिंग, what is the correct answer here? क्या, what did you fill here for Nummer 7? Samriddhi, your answer?
Oil.
Nagbar is masculine, Sana. Their Nagbar. Their Nagbar. Nagbar is plural. Nagbar without N is masculine. So, Oyer Nagbar. Oyer Nagbar, Hatmir Das, Geschenk. That means R, like not R, it's like, you can say, okay, I'll come to this Oyer part a little later, because I told you that we don't use it so much. There is some points in there which we need to understand. So I'll come to that part. Leave 7 right now. Okay, let's come to 8. Yeah, Samrid, Sana, what is your answer here?
Unzera.
Rishtish, Unzera Nagban, Hartfila Ferreder. Our neighbors have a lot of cycles, bicycles. So, Unzera Nagban. Rishtish, Ashwin, Nummer 9. What is your answer?
Und deine Tochter ist hübsch.
Und seine.
Deine.
Deine. Okay. Kiski doctor, whose daughter is pretty?
Nakban's.
Nakban's daughter. The Nakban's, how do we denote Nakban?
There.
There, that's the case. So how do we say there auf Deutsch? If you come back to the books table, so there ke liye we have got same as ear, Z, capital small z, there, de wala. So you have got ear and ear. So here you have doctor. Doctor is feminine. So ear or ear?
Ear.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे मेरी डॉटर नहीं खूबसूरत है, तुम्हारी डॉटर नहीं, उसकी डॉटर, उनका, their, unka daughter. So this unka, this is why I told you in this topic, Hindi can help you a lot to understand. So their daughter is beautiful. That's why ihre doctor is hübsch. Last one, Samriddhi. Dash Nachbar won't align on geht zu Fuß. Kiske Nachbarn? Whose Nachbarn lives alone and go with foot?
Mine.
Yeah, mein Nachbar won't align on geht zu Fuß. So this is what it is. Possessive articles are easy to understand if we leave that ear part, but where to use which possessive article? Is it tumhara, mera, hamara? This is what is confusing, and this is what takes a bit of practice. So if you know Hindi, this can become easier. Yeah, but if you have, like, I have got a batch of Kerala students which I've been teaching, and they went to Germany. So for them, this was the most difficult topic for them, because they were unable to figure out that uska hoga, mera hoga, tumhara hoga. They were not having the English Hindi base. They had no Hindi at all. I'm happy that Ashwin, you have learned Hindi, so you know that uska iska part you can still somehow like you can do a comparison. So it would help you. So whenever you do possessive article thing, try to convert the sentences to that of Hindi. It would help you figure out कि मेरा, तुम्हारा, हमारा, उसका, इसका. This would help you to figure out the correct answer.
Like how is their
Yeah.
era? That I didn't understand actually. In which where is the table? In page
Okay.
58.
Where is the table? Here is the table. 50. Yeah.
Okay. So
So
Z,
year, this year is same for all the Z. For she as well, for there as well, and for formal as well. But the only difference in formal, we have to write it capital year. Otherwise, it's same. That's why it's the confusion. We talked about कि हर को year बोलते हैं, लेकिन there को भी year ही बोलते हैं. We call it there only, here year only. And you
where
formal
will
is also year.
where it will be?
Where is unzera?
Unzera.
नहीं, where is we and ours. हम हमारे, we and ours. So we is where, हमारा is unzera. Unzer, unzera.
Unzera, unzera.
So,
Do is dein, deiner.
yeah, do is dein, deiner. तुम तुम्हारा. Do is तुम and तुम तुम्हारा. देखो मैं हिंदी में बताती हूँ. I and me, like I and me मतलब मैं और मेरा. I and mine. Do is तुम तुम्हारा. जैसे do and dein, deiner. Airist उसका, वो और उसका. वो और उसका. Air is वो and उसका is उसका, his. लड़की, the girl. उसका, वो and उसकी. उसका, that is वो, उसकी is the her part. जैसे for example, वो मेरी friend और ये उसकी किताब, उसकी book, her book. So her is ear. Then we have this we're, हम हमारा, we and our. We are Indian and this is our country. We are Indian, so we are in Indian and this is our country. So this is unser land, our country. Then we have we, that is they. Jैसे they are Indian and it is their country. So sie sind Indian, they are Indian, and es ist oder then we have es ist ihr Land. Ihr Land means it's their country. Ihr Land is das
What
Land,
is
so
second
ihr
Z?
Land. Second Z, which second
First
Z?
Z is she. Second Z
Yeah.
is you.
They.
They.
Second one is formal you. The other Z is they. There are three Z.
Okay.
Yeah, there are three Z. Okay.
She,
So we have just
you,
yeah,
and
she
they.
is yeah, she, formal you and they.
So ear is
She.
informal you. You all.
Yeah, ear is informal you, plural, you all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Z is formal you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So possessive article is just the beginning. I won't expect you to do it, but then if you know the meaning, then dhire dhire you will definitely able to do it. That's not something very difficult, but yeah, it's a new thing because in English we do have it, his, her. हम ऐसे नहीं कि his को लड़का लड़की दोनों में डालते हैं. Her, his, we do have this. So this you will get associated or this you will get habituated with, but then with time. So don't hurry up with it. We will do, if required, some more exercises to make it more clear. And once I get the book, I'll explain you कि आपको क्या करना है. अगर मुझे book नहीं मिला, तो we'll do it tomorrow in the class itself. That's not an issue. So yeah, that's all for today. And we shall meet tomorrow. And we will do. As homework, nothing. If I explain you the text or if I explain you the exercises you can do from the Arbeits book. If not, then you leave it. We'll do in the class itself because tomorrow you have class. So we will do better do in the class itself. So yeah, haben Sie noch Fragen für mich? You have any questions for me for today? Keine Frage? Okay, dann treffen wir uns am Montag, das ist am Morgen um 7 Uhr, that is 7 o'clock. So, have a great time ahead and auf Wiedersehen. Danke.
Auf Wiedersehen.
It is Z,
Auf
no?
Wiedersehen.
Z.
Yeah.
He is she,
You,
you, and they. Okay.
you, yeah, Z, you formal and they.
Okay. And informal use do.
Informal you singular, singular is you, and informal you plural is ear.
So informal you plural is
Ear.
you. Formal you plural is
Formal you plural is again Z.
Z. Okay.
Z is like we call it Z. That's not an issue. Informal you, it's plural is do. Sorry, ear. Singular is do, and then formal में Z ही singular होता है और Z ही it's plural. Both the plural singular are Z in formal. Formal में. We don't have any other word.
And this
Yeah.
sai is to be or can be ze.
Sein.
Sein. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, sein.
Sein is as a verb to be. It's a helping verb. Ich
Can you just
bin,
put
du
one
bist.
sentence?
With sein.
Yeah.
Yeah, ich bin Devrupa, du bist Ashwin. We
That
as
is
in
different part of
student.
sein.
Yeah, these are the conjugated part of sein. Bin, Zind, Zaid.
So
Yeah.
then
And then the sein
sentence with
that you
sign.
studied with sein. Like
Yeah.
which sentence?
Sign is to be, no. So I want
Yeah.
to be a pilot. It should sein is with the word sein, not bin, bist.
But Ashwin, with the word sein as a verb, we don't have that. When sein we use as a verb, then when we use it with different subject pronouns, for example, I, you, her, I, you, she, he, so that sein changes to different words. Like sein, that sein doesn't come.
Acha, okay.
Sein doesn't come. With wir and z, it changes to zind. So we don't have that word sein.
A
We
side
use
or
sein.
side.
Zaid
What?
is with ear, you plural ke saath. Zaid. That is the
And where is
conjugation of
this in the
zain with
textbook?
uh-huh.
Where is this in the textbook?
Where is this in the textbook?
Yeah.
This you will find in chapter 1 or 2.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do one thing. Tomorrow I'll give some examples again to clarify this zain thing and this z thing. Let's see if you can understand that as well, because I think you're just confused between, because you have just learned zain as well. Even though this zain is a possessive article, this is not a verb. So I think you're a bit confused. So we'll do it tomorrow, and then I'll give some examples so that you can be more sure of it, that what is zain and then what is z. Right?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
I saw it now. I saw it in chapter 1.
Yeah, it's in chapter 1.
Okay.
Okay, dann auf Wiedersehen, bis
Okay.
Montag. Danke.